Where are you in the automation journey? In manufacturing, there's lots of planning, precision, and tracking. There are also lots of demands. Some are within your control, and some aren't. There are demands from within your organization and from customers. There is also the competition, changing regulations, supply chain issues, and startups that are disrupting the space. No matter your business, you're somewhere along the automation journey. Do you have a new product? Is there a better way to produce your existing product? A partner dedicated to innovation can help deliver you a competitive advantage. Discovery and analysis identifies the most likely path to success. The result is a strong business case. We can offer smaller-scale equipment contract manufacturing expertise for faster startup or develop complete custom solutions that deliver value to our life science partners. With ATS, ongoing support is at your fingertips. It's all part of the plan to ensure you see the lasting benefit of your investment. From concept development through engineering to validation, we'll deliver your end-to-end solution. For pharma, medtech, medical device development, or medical diagnostics, working with a global leader like ATS means you can have confidence that your project will be built right every time. ATS Life Sciences. We innovate, automate, empower. Contact us today at lifesciences@atsautomation.com.